Morning everyone, so I am going to talk to you about the Oxygen Peel Mask Most Revealing. So this is an exfoliating mask that you leave on for about 4 minutes. Now how you use this is quite important because quite a lot of people use it wrong. So you want to get 2 pumps and you want to spread it on the skin without playing around with it too much. So think about how you spread butter on toast. You just literally want to get it onto your skin. You don't want to massage it in, and I'll show you why. If you start to rub at it, you lose the bubbles. So you just want to place it on the skin, and as you can see, it's going to foam up quite quickly. Now what this does is it nibbles away at the dead skin cells that are on the surface of the skin. So you want to keep it away from the eyes, and it's going to help boost radiance. So as the weather changes, our skin gets more dull, and the glue that holds onto our dead skin cells sticks to them a little bit longer. So you start to get layers of dead skin cells building up on themselves, and that's when your skin feels a bit rough. It can look quite dull. So this is just going to nibble away at that glue that holds onto the dead skin cells. It's got naturally derived acids in it, and that's what will do this work. But it will also help unclog the pores. If you have milia, it's going to help to shed those away. If you've got congestion or blemishes, it will help to reduce those too. You want to apply this once you've cleansed your skin. So make sure you do this in an evening. You would cleanse your skin, then you would use this, and then you could use a mask afterwards, because masks, once you've exfoliated the skin, will be able to penetrate deeper into the layers of the skin, so they'll be more effective. If you're not using a mask, then you want to go straight in with your toner, then your eye cream, your serum, and your moisturiser. So I'm going to let this fizz away and pop and bubble, and I'll come back when it's a little bit more done. Okay, so as you can see, most of it has now done its job, and you can see this foam sort of reacts with the oxygen and the slight moisture in your skin, and the bubbles will pop. So it will go to absolutely nothing if you leave it long enough. I've had this on for about 3 minutes. So normally you want to leave it on for about 5 minutes. And then once you are done, you are just going to massage the serum that is left on the skin into the skin, just to get those lovely ingredients deep into the layers of the skin. This is also going to help with hyperpigmentation. So if you've got uneven skin tone and dark marks, it will nibble away at those darker areas, because the melanin, which is what causes the colour, sits in those dead skin cells. So it will help to reduce that. Now, if you've got really dry skin, you don't have to take this off. You can just go straight in with your toner, but because I've got naturally oily skin, I'm going to wipe off the residue, because otherwise I'll feel a little bit sticky. And you can see that I've got instant radiance. It's a really good mask, and it is a firm favourite with a lot of you who have purchased this. If you haven't purchased this, it's £42 to buy. At the moment, it's on offer. We're in September 2023, so it's on offer. If you buy 2, you get 30% off. So well worth it. It is a firm favourite. So that is how you would use the Most Revealing mask.